In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Facebook page in an easy and straightforward way for 2025. Deleting a Facebook page can sometimes seem daunting, but with these simple steps, you'll be able to do it quickly and without any hassle. First, let's make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account that has administrative access to the page you wish to delete. Once you're logged in, you'll want to start at the top right corner of Facebook where you'll see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture and a menu will drop down. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Now look towards the top left of your screen. Here you'll find the Account Center. This is where you'll want to head next. This area consolidates various account settings, making it a centralized spot for any major account changes you might want to make. Within the Account Center, direct your attention to Personal Details, which you'll find under Account Settings. Clicking on this will unfold more settings options specifically related to your personal account. Next, you'll need to click on Account Ownership and Control. This is a crucial step, as it gives you direct access to more profound settings concerning account management, such as deactivation or deletion options. Once you're in the Account Ownership and Control section, click on Deactivation or Deletion. Now take a moment to choose the account or profile you want to focus on. Ensure you're picking the correct one, especially if you manage multiple pages or profiles. After confirming that you're on the right track, go ahead and select Delete Account. Once you choose to delete the account, a Continue button will appear. Clicking this will lead you through some confirmation prompts. Don't worry, these are standard Facebook procedures to ensure you've made the right decision. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to finalize the deletion process. Remember to review any data or settings you might want to save or double-check before deletion. And that's it! You've successfully gone through the steps to delete your Facebook page. It's always prudent to go through each step carefully to minimize the chance of errors. Be aware that once you've deleted an account, the process may be irreversible, so ensure that you have backed up any important data or contacts you might need in the future. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Until next time, take care.